What's going on? I want to show you guys this new tactical light laser combo I just got in. This is a really nice tactical light that can be used on many different models. This thing has a typical rail adjustment, and on the side it has a little notch here, which I'll show you how to put it on, that you can adjust it to fit in your liking in a lot of different models of guns. This thing is made up of aircraft aluminum, and then it has a black polymer finish to it. This thing is shock resistant and water resistant as well. So you can take this thing through a beating and it's still going to work and function just fine, which is really good, and especially what you want out of a tactical flashlight for your safety. The lights, this is a 1000 lumens light, so it is significantly brighter than a lot of the pistol lights that are out there on the market. And not only that, it has a green laser as well. That green laser during the day can be seen between 30 to 100 feet, and then at night it can reach up to 300 feet, which is really cool. It has a handful of different light modes. It has 3 different light modes. You can go from the light or the light laser, or just the laser itself. And then it also has 2 modes. It has constant, where you flip it on and it stays on constantly, or temporarily, where you just hold the knob, and when you let down the knob, it turns off. So a lot of cool features and functionalities there with that. So let's go ahead and get this thing put on and show you guys how bright this thing actually is.